What's going on, FMFAM? Y'all caught me in the middle of a repair. Okay. What repair is it? Well, y'all gonna have to stick around, alright? Like, comment, subscribe, turn post notification bells on if you haven't already. And let's let the intro roll out. Welcome back. Hopefully you still stuck around, because some don't. I don't understand. It's just an intro. Like, wait for the video to start. But anyways, y'all may have seen that I'm doing a valve cover, right? In the shorts, did a video on about the gasket, putting the gasket on and then putting silicone in the corners, which I will do that on this video. And then here's our old valve cover right here. Now I'm replacing this valve cover because it was leaking, and without digging into it further, we don't know if the spark plug tubes are leaking also, and then we don't know the condition of the spark plug tubes, which I'm pretty sure if I, yeah, they're pretty brittle. They're hard, and once they get hard, they don't seal anymore. So that's why I'm replacing the whole valve cover. So with that being said, let's get to this. Okay, let's stop talking and let's start working. And then let me add, this will be the last repair video of 2022. Okay, the last repair video of 2022, as y'all see in the title. It was a little bit of a troll or clickbait, but it is true. Last video of 2022. Now let's get to work.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like
Start center and work your way out.
real anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head.
Now I'm gonna run through with the regular ratchet and make sure everything is tight and not loose, because I don't trust electric.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong.
Okay, the light had died. As you see, I have a cord.
I'ma stay loud, stay proud. Never running out, never heading south. I'm spinning out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I've been getting loud. You can have it down.
Now we're moving on to the next part, which is tune up.
I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Yes, right there. Good, genuine quality parts.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots.
Now that was just to run him down to make it a little quicker, not any torque.
A big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit. I won't give up this, cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Bringing it back here, let me know now. You going to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I just want to show him like from a distance, hey, look,
Yeah.
working on it, 2 more hours, you know? Because he was here all day.
Okay. All right, guys. I'll get back to y'all in a second. I'm gonna put this mount on. Customer's gonna come back here and he wants to talk to me real quick. So we'll get back to y'all. We'll probably have this all put back together. But anyways, we need to close out this video in a minute. All right. So give me a second, guys. I appreciate it. All right, FMFAM. We're just pretty much done with this vehicle. So we got the new valve cover on. We did spark plugs. These usually get brittle, so I went ahead and replaced this and this, which are PCV hoses. And then we did have an oil cooler leaking down there as well. I might insert a clip. But as far as
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We'll see you next year.
We'll see you next year on Wednesday.
And let's make some money next year. So yes, we replaced oil cooler O-ring and gasket on the back side of the engine, which if I do have a clip, I'll insert it right now. Now taking a look at your valve cover, as you can see, it is leaking. I do recommend getting that valve cover replaced. You also see you have an oil leak coming from the oil cooler up there. I do recommend getting that oil cooler resealed. And also you can see the severity of the valve cover leak coming down the intake on this. Was a bit of a heat case. This should have been done yesterday. We had an issue with parts and stuff like that. I just won't get into detail, but we got all the parts here. The customer will be taking this vehicle leak free, oil leak free. It was a massive leak, so 2 massive leaks. So one last thing I wanted to talk about before is, as you can tell, my audio is a little different. Took the mic out already, but last night I did do an EFI on this thing, and after the EFI we heard a low almost like a rod knock, but not quite, you know. It wasn't as consistent as a rod knock. Well, I found a spot on the back of the dry belt. I had already recommended this thing by time and mileage, okay? Because after time, these things stretch and get worn. So I seen this, right? I was like, oh snap, okay. You know what? Yeah, it's coming apart on the backside. So let's recommend that. And then once I did take it off, I ended up finding that the dry belt right there is like split. And then after looking at it further, I don't know if y'all could see that, but it dips. Like what the hell? So that thing, every time it hit a pulley, it would doom, doom. Now how would that make you feel after you just did work, just did an EFI, which is fuel, and you hear doom, 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 and then you speed up the engine, doom, 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 doom. How would that make you feel? Alright, let's get back to where I was with the outro. That's gonna be a wrap for this one. If you like it, comment, subscribe, post notification, all that good stuff. And we will see y'all next year. Alright, this is the last repair video of 2022. Clickbaited a little bit, but still, last video of 2022 as far as repairs. Don't forget, we got videos right here. Subscribe right there if you're not. Deuce.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push